Welcome to IMT's How to Use the Pairing App instructions video. In this video, we will show you how to quickly pair IMT devices and sensors by following 4 easy steps. Open the IMT Pairing App on your iPhone or Android phone and then log in using your regular credentials. Now you can begin the pairing process. Start by scanning the QR code of the IMT device or sensor. Step 1. Take a photo of the hardware. This photo will also be shown in the IMT Web Application. Step 2. Please choose the relevant asset type, such as tank container or wheel wagon, and then fill in the asset name or number. Step 3. Now you can take a photo of your asset. This photo will also be shown in the IMT Web Application. Step 4. Review the information you see on your screen and, if correct, press Attach. Your device or sensor is now successfully attached to your asset. Should you need any further assistance, please email support@intermodal telematics.com. We are always happy to help.